is how to get more views on my YouTube channel. Woo! Hey guys, my name is Daniel King. Welcome to King's Tech Review. I'm super excited that you can join me here. What I want to talk to you about today is how to get more views on my YouTube channel. That sounds like mind-blowing stuff. Super excited. Whoop, poof. I am really excited about this piece of information. Okay, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please like, share, subscribe. So if you're starting a new YouTube channel and you want to be able to get more views on your videos, let's begin. The first thing I want to talk about is keeping your viewers' attention. The algorithm works with you when you keep the viewers' attention as long as possible. That is how you're going to get more views. So make your videos super exciting. Step 2 is B-rolls. Include B-rolls and exciting footage that you would need to spice up your videos a little bit. Don't be just boring. You gotta be energetic. You have to throw in transitions. You have to throw in effects. So, as you think about that, think about jump cuts just to make it a little more interesting. And we want to be looking at stuff that is interesting. Have you ever saw this Blippi YouTube channels? Guys, the guy he does stuff that is interesting all the time. So it grabs the attention of the little kids. And if you could grab the attention of little kids, small little ones.
Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Sorry, less attention span than a goldfish. So guys, number 4 I want to bring to you, you need to level up your videos. Look at the professionals that have been doing it for a long time. Learn from the professional, learn from the best, learn from video producers online, how to edit, how to cut, how to put in transitions, how to put in effects. Guys, level up your content. Number 5, you need camera presence. What is that, Daniel, boy? I've never heard about anything called camera presence. So camera presence means that you are presently on the camera. if it's that's how you explain it. Well, you know how it is. But camera presence, you've got to have a personality that commands the attention of your viewer. You have to have some sort of camera presence, guys. You cannot be boring. Like, today is Saturday and
3 days later, 3 weeks later,
I'm thinking about going. No, guys, it doesn't work like that. You have to have a personality. People need to see something exciting. If you're not excited about something, how you expect people to be excited about what you are talking about? So get excited, guys. Number 6, that is, don't forget to prepare yourself. Don't just jump out of the bushes. Ah! Okay, and create content. What you need to do is script out what you're going to do. You see my book here? I script out on the goal book. I script out everything that I'm going to do, and then I present it in a fashion that you guys can understand, that you guys can get the value, that you guys are excited about. So that is what I do. That is what I do. And that's what you should do too. I'm not saying I'm a better person than you, but I'm saying you need to prepare your presentation. So when you deliver, you can deliver the value with maximum effects. Number 7, we need to ask ourselves, who is this video for? And how could it help the person that is viewing on the other side, the viewer? Is it exciting? Is it interesting? Is it valuable? Ask yourself these kind of questions. Don't just bring forward content that, nobody wants to see. Random stuff, all right? Ask yourself, if you're a viewer, am I getting value from this content? Is this good information? Is this valuable information? All right, so make sure it's valuable information. 8, guys, organize your content. Make sure you're very organized as to what you want to do. Make sure that you, step 1 to step 10, you understand when you start structuring your videos, what you're doing from 1 to 10. And you're not confusing the viewer. You want to be able to understand what you're doing. Get it in your mind, a process that is organized. So when you deliver, then they could say, okay, yes, number one, number two, number three, this is how to get to my destination. The viewer wants success in whatever they are looking at. Okay? Number 9, get to the point. Because some people are beating around the bush so much. People don't want to be beaten around the bush. I know some people go on and on and on and on and on and on. Deliver your content very quickly. Deliver very quickly. Okay? Make sure that your content is structured in a way that you could deliver it quickly. Don't waste time running down this and talking about that and, oh, I forgot to do my nails. Oh, my hair. Oh, my eyes. Oh, I forgot to shave my... No, guys. Get to the point. Number 10, music. Think about your music. The music behind the video. Make sure the music sets the mood of the video. You know, I remember exact time when I was in school and I heard a particular song. I remember the mood of that song. And up to now, it still brings me back to that same mood. My music might be totally different to yours. Make sure you have good music behind your video. Music that inspire the mood of your video. Get good sound effects. Sound effects is very important. Bam! Boom! Swish! Swash! Sound effects is what you need. And that is the 10 ways that you're going to get a lot more views here on YouTube. So thank you for joining me. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel because you're going to get a lot more information that will give you the type of results that you want right here on YouTube. Thank you for joining me here at King's Tech Review. God bless you and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.